What up, Leechies and Beaches? Another week ahead spread, y'all. I've never been so fucking excited to share an energy read with you guys. Before we get started, I'm gonna be at Sour Milk until 5 today, and then tomorrow is the full moon circle for my birthday. Hey, come through. If you haven't gotten your ticket, get your fucking ticket. It's gonna be so healing, but also such a fucking good time. Check out the link in my bio for all of that information. Anyways, let's get into this week. So tomorrow's my birthday, and that's also why I'm super excited to be able to tell you that this week is going to be a game changer for a lot of us. So the beautiful thing here, we have the Six of Swords in reverse with the Five of Wands, followed by the Lovers and the Ten of Cups, with the underlying energy here being the High Priestess. So basically this week is like the first part of it, which I'm not too shocked about at all, because full moon energy is like the peak of the drama. So with this showing up as the energy of the first part of the week, it does feel like you kind of in that place of recognizing, okay, shit's got to change. Things need to happen. I'm tired of being in this fight between my head and my heart. I need to allow myself to leave behind that toxic environment, whether that's a mental environment or a physical environment. It's about you recognizing early in this week that we need to stop fighting with ourselves and take action to change the game. But the thing is, once that game changing happens, I'm trying not to get ahead of myself, because I pulled self-care too, and we're just gonna get into it. And it was a burning bowl ritual, which, by the way, this is what we do for the full moon circles, full moon ceremonies. So if you are not able to make it to the full moon circle on Monday, the actual full moon is happening on the 7th, Tuesday. Burning bowl ritual. If you want the guidebook information on this card, please DM me. I will send you that information. But it's essentially about writing down these things. They're keeping you in this energy, writing them down on a piece of paper, bay leaf, whatever. Write them down so you can intentionally release, because the full moon, like I said, is the peak of the drama, and so the cup is going to overflow anyways. The full moon ceremonies and full moon circles and full moon intention settings is about being intentional about what falls over the sides, what gets released, having a say behind what it is that you're leaving behind, instead of everything just coming to the surface and whatever the fuck happens in life, but it's when you finally intentionally tune into your intuition, tune into what's best for you this week, and you call out the energy that's been keeping you in this chaos, and you write it down, and you burn it and send it out to the universe to be dealt with on its own behalf. Then you walk into this, the Lovers and the Ten of Cups. Okay. The Lovers is not only, yes, it can be interpreted as an actual relationship between you and somebody physically outside of you, but the Lovers can also speak to that balance and harmony in your own duality. So maybe recognizing that you've been fighting with yourself, that mental environment, you've been fighting with yourself about your gender identity or your sexual orientation or whatever it is. It's you finally recognizing your divinity and the duality of feminine and masculine within you and your life and your experience of it, and finding your peace and your flow and your happiness at the end of all of this. So this week is a really beautiful opportunity to completely shift energy. We also have Sing as some self-care. So it's about you really allowing yourself to open up that throat chakra, sing to the energies that you want to release. If you want to fucking rage and you need to get that rage out in a way that supports you, fucking rage and sing whatever supports that energy. Or if you're wanting to bring in a beautiful new experience or whatever it is, then sing to that thing that you want to feel, that kind of thing. And then overall, we have luck is on your side and your hard work is paying off. There are a lot of major transits happening for everyone in the month of March. So I really recommend you go check out and look into all the intricacies that are happening. We have Saturn changing signs We have Pluto changing signs for the first time in 20 years. We have all of these major transits that are happening. So it's going to cause a lot of positive, like major, beautiful effects for us individually and collectively. So I encourage you to arm yourself with that knowledge, support yourself through this transition. But this week is going to be a really beautiful one, and I hope to be able to share it with you on my birthday at the full moon circle. And if you are not able to attend that, then please just keep an eye out. Check out my website if you want to work with me one-on-one, if you want to book a free consultation, discovery call for mentorship to develop your sacred gifts and to be able to show up more fully realized in the world, you know? All of that information can be found in the link in my bio. Go ahead and check that out. But until next time, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.